Here's a tip on how to listen to an audiobook without buying the audiobook. So I've been reading this book, The Mountain Is You, about self-sabotage and getting what you need to do done. It's amazing, by the way. And I partially read so many books that I am too cheap to buy the audiobooks for all of them, so I'll show you what I do. It's for iPhone, so go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Spoken Content, and make sure that Speak Screen is on. Then go to Voices. Choose your language. I'm going to choose English. And then you're going to choose one of them with the arrows to the right. Not that one. And then you'll download the enhanced one. It does sound still computery, but it does sound pretty good. And I'll show you how to start it up. Once you have Speak Screen open, you do this, and then you push play.
To do. We know what we want to do.
And it'll start playing. Now you need to keep the app open while you do this, which is kind of annoying, but I usually carry my phone on a string and I just carry it around my neck or tie it in my pocket, whatever. But it's a really good way to listen to audiobooks without having to listen or buy the audiobook. So pretty cool, huh?